Cow. Cows are best known for the delicious things they provide, such as milk, dairy products, and meat. They are most often seen on farms and give a loud moo. Pig. Pigs are incredibly intelligent. Some have indicated that they are as smart as dogs. Due to that fact, many people have chosen to go beyond the concept of looking at pigs as a food source, but now keep them as house pets. Sheep. Sheep bring many uses to humans, including the use of their coats, milk, and as a food source. Interesting is that sheep have incredible memories. They can remember fellow sheep as well as humans for many years. Duck. Ducks are birds that are referred to as waterfowls because they are usually found near bodies of water, like rivers, streams, and lakes. They are related to the geese and swan, two other waterfowls. Chicken. Chickens are raised mostly for their eggs and meat, but chickens also make good pets. Some chickens are very tame and will allow you to hold or pet them. Chickens eat almost anything: grass, bugs, fruit, vegetables, and table scraps. Horse. Horses were domesticated by human beings centuries ago. They have been a leading reason for the success of mankind for survival, transportation, and as a method of war. They are sensitive creatures, often developing bonds with people.